Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Male infertility symptoms part 3. Male infertility symptoms, health and lifestyle causes and environmental causes. Assalamu alaikum. I am your host Hakeem and Dr. Tariq Mahmood Tasir, consultant, sexologist, alternative medicine specialist, expert, male and female infertility, chairman, Tasir Patient Welfare Society, and you are watching your favorite program Khushgawar Azwaji Zindagi. Welcome back to our channel with the new topic of video. I hope you are doing well. Today my video is about male infertility symptom and causes. In the previous video I had discussed about that what is the male infertility. Before I start my topic, let me tell you a little bit about the male infertility that people have subscribed at us today. So up to 50% of couples are infertile. This means they are not able to conceive a child even though they had frequent unprotected sexual intercourse for a year or longer. In over a third of these couples, male infertility plays a role. Male infertility is due to low sperm production, abnormal sperm function or blockage that prevent the delivery of sperm. Illness, injuries, chronic health problems, lifestyle choices and other factors can play a role in causing male infertility. Not being able to conceive a child can be stressful and frustrating, but a number of male infertility treatment are available. Symptoms. The main sign of male infertility is the inability to conceive a child. There may be no other obvious sign or symptoms. In some cases, however, an underlying problem such as inherited disorders or hormonal imbalance, dilated veins around the testicle, or a condition that block the passage of sperm causes sign and symptom. Although most men with male infertility do not notice symptoms other than the inability to conceive a child, sign and symptom associated with male infertility includes problem with sexual functions, for example, difficulty with ejaculation, small volumes of fluid ejaculated, reduced sexual desire or difficulty maintaining an erection, erectile dysfunction, pain, swelling or lumps in the testicle area, recurrent respiratory infection, inability to smell, abnormal breast growth, decreased facial or body hair or other sign of the chromosomal or hormonal abnormality, a lower than normal sperm count, fewer than 50 million sperm per milliliter of semen, or total sperm count are less than 39 million per ejaculate. Common sign of infertility in men: changes in sexual desire. A man's fertility is also linked with his hormone health. Changes in virility, often governed by hormones, could indicate issue with fertility. Testicle pain or swelling. There are several different conditions could lead to pain or swelling in the testicle, many of which could contribute to infertility. Problem maintaining erection. A man's ability to maintain an erection is often linked to his hormone level. Reduced hormones may result which could potentially translate into trouble conceiving. Similarly, an ability to ejaculate is a sign that it might be time to visit a doctor. Small firm testicle. The testicle house a man's sperm, so testicle health is paramount to male fertility. Small or firm testicle could indicate potential that should be explored by the medical practitioner. Causes. Male fertility is complex process. To get your partner pregnant, the follower must occur. You must produce healthy sperm. Initially, this involves the growth and formation of the male reproductive organs. During puberty, at least one of your testicles must be functioning correctly and your body must produce testosterone and other hormones to trigger and maintaining sperm production. Sperm have to be carried into the semen. Once sperm are produced in the testicle, delicate tubes transport them until they mix with specimen and are ejaculated out of the penis. There needs to be enough sperm in the semen. If the number of sperm in your semen sperm count is low, it decreases the odds that one of your sperm will fertilize your partner's eggs. A low sperm count is fewer than 50 million sperm per milliliter of semen or fewer. Then 39 million per ejaculated sperm must functional and able to move. If the movement, motility or function function of your sperm is abnormal, the sperm may not be able to reach or penetrate your partner's egg. Environmental causes, the main infertility is that our environment is containing by the natural and synthetic chemicals. These chemicals could interact with the endocrine system. People exposure to chemical is thought to be extensive, especially to EDCS, which exposed to after the male reproductive tract. Our exposure to certain environmental elements such as heat, toxin and chemical can reduce sperm production or sperm function. Specific causes include industrial chemicals, extending exposure to benzenes, toluenes, silanes, pesticides, herbicides, organic solvents and painting materials and leads may contribute to low sperm counts. Heavy metals exposure to lead other heavy metals also may cause infertility. Radiation or X-ray exposure to radiation can reduce sperm production, though it will often eventually return to normal. With high dose of radiation, sperm production can be permanently reduced. Overheating the testicle, elevated temperatures impair sperm production and function. Although studies are limited and are conclusive, frequent use of saunas or hot tubs may temporarily impair your sperm count. Sitting for long periods, wearing tight clothing or working on a laptop computer for long stretches of time also may increase the temperature in your scrotum and may slightly reduce sperm production. Health, lifestyle and other causes. Some other causes of male infertility include drug use. Anabolic steroids taken to stimulate muscle strength and growth can cause the testicle to shrink and sperm production to decrease. Use of cocaine or marijuana may temporarily reduce the number of quality of your sperm as well. Alcohol use, drinking alcohol can lower testosterone levels, causes erectile dysfunction and decrease sperm production. Liver diseases caused by excessive drinking also may lead to fertility problem. Tobacco smoking, men who smoke may have a low sperm count than do those who don't smoke. Second-hand smoke also may affect male fertility. Emotional stress can interfere with certain hormones needs to produce sperm. Severe or prolonged emotional stress, including problems with fertility, can affect your sperm count. Depression research showed that the likelihood of pregnancy may be lower if a male has severe depression. In addition, depression in men may cause sexual dysfunction due to reduced libido, erectile dysfunction, or delayed or inhibited ejaculation. Weight obesity can impair fertility in several ways, including directly impacting sperm themselves as well as by causing hormone changes that reduce male fertility. The treatment of fertility is treated after marriage. After a year, the child song put in the tension. Often couples start their treatment. All these problems are in the male fertility, but you don't need to be worried about it. Yes, I have a good news for you. Taseer Dahana has been established since 1946. You can recover all these diseases. Doctors and scientists of our institute, Taseer Dahana, work under the supervision of Dr. Hakeem Tariq Mahmood Taseer, qualified doctor, lady doctor, pharmacist and Hakeem with prolonged research. It is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective courses is prepared under the medical principle and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in the Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Taseer courses cure azoospermia, oligospermia, necrospermia, varicocele, hydrocele, pus cell infection, hormone level, maintain pH level of the person, increase the volume of the semen, thickness in the semen, sperm morphology, every type of infection and start producing sperm, where person will be relieved from all infertility diseases. Increase HGH hormone level, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, normalize the sperm count of infertile men so they become fertile. Taseer courses, especially and expensive courses consist of 12 different products, herbal ingredients, so it provides some extra benefits. Taseer courses unique formulation contain safe and natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow. Because the ingredients in the Taseer courses highest quality and verified or purity, their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it multi-purpose courses it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improve physical health. Taseer courses has some special herbs. Those quality is help to get your confident and sexually satisfying experience, which is specially prepared for those who has erectile dysfunction, ejaculation, duration problem, stiffness, and other sexual diseases. It is very safe and easy to use. The made with 100% pure herbal extract. If you can find a way to reduce stress in your life, eliminate your infertility with Taseer courses, and spend happy life with your complete family. So viewers, if you or your known person has infertility problem, then come to Taseer Dohana and use Taseer courses, which will cure all infertility diseases and problems. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video, in which we will discuss new diseases, topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day.